A flock of birds lived in a forest. They flew together every day to find food. One day they found grains scattered on the ground. The leader warned it could be a trap. Some birds ignored the warning and went to eat. Suddenly a net fell and trapped them. The birds panicked and blamed each other. The leader calmed them down. We must work together to escape, he said. The birds flapped their wings at the same time. Slowly, they lifted the net off the ground. They flew to a nearby tree for safety. A mouse helped them cut the net. The birds were free and happy again. They promised to stay united forever. The moral of a story is unity is strength.